Welcome back to Terminology Tutor, your go-to channel for expanding your English vocabulary. Today, we'll be diving into 45 commonly used phrasal verbs. Let's get started.
Blow up. The kids love to blow up balloons and decorate the house for birthdays.
Break down. My car broke down. Bring up. She brings up a good idea.
Call off. We call off the trip.
Check in. We check in at the hotel.
Check out. Check out the book.
Clean up. They clean up the living room.
Come back. She comes back home from work to spend time with her family.
Come up with. He comes up with a joke.
Count on. I count on my parents for support and advice. Cut down. He cut down the old tree because it was dangerous.
Do over. The teacher let us do over the quiz for a better grade. Drop off. I need to drop off the package at the post office.
End up. He studied hard and ended up being the top student in his class.
Figure out. Can you figure out this puzzle?
Fill in. Please fill in the blanks on the worksheet before handing it in.
Find out. I need to find out the time of the meeting.
Get together. Let's get together and play.
Get along. They get along well.
Grow up. I want to be a pilot when I grow up.
Look after. He promised to look after his friend's cat while they were on vacation.
Hang out. We hang out at the park after school. Hold on. Hold on a second.
Look for. I am looking for my toy.
Look forward to. I am looking forward to our vacation next month.
Look up. He had to look up the definition of the word in the dictionary.
Make up. She loves to make up stories to entertain her younger siblings.
Pass away. Her fish passed away.
Point out. During the presentation, she made sure to point out the key benefits of the new product.
Put off. They put off the trip until they sorted out their transportation issues. Put on. Put on your hat.
Put out. Put out the campfire.
Run into. I run into my friend.
Run out of. We run out of milk.
Set up. They set up the tent.
Show up. He showed up late.
Sit down. Please sit down.
Stand up. Stand up, please.
Take off. The plane takes off.
Take out. Take out the trash.
Throw away. Throw away the paper.
Turn off. Turn off the lights.
Turn on. Turn on the TV. Wake up. Wake up, it's morning.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.